Okay, so terminal integrated Windows EnableConpty. So whether to use ConPTI for Windows terminal process communication. It requires Windows 10 build number 18309 plus. WinPTI will be used if this is false. Okay, so WinPTI has quite a bit of problems, quite a lot of problems, particularly around caller. And ConPTI was a backend API that the Windows console team implemented in this version of Windows, and it just fixes a lot of problems, including the color coding of stuff in the terminal. So this is set to true by default, and it's a good thing. Let me just show you a comparison here. So ConPTI support on Windows. This is the official documentation for VS Code. And take a look at the before and after using so before is the WinPTI and after is the ConPTI. And just take a look at these colors right here, the 161 until 177, right? You can see that you have a lot more colors here than you have here, right? These colors are all messed up. So it's a good thing for this setting to be here. If you have some problems with the ConPTI, obviously turn this to false.